Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. Here the update has come that from Indian Navy that there will be new fighter jet that to be made in India. Here we know detail about that is backed by the success of trial landing of Tejas N fighter on board the Navy aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. The Aeronautical Development Agency that has given the go ahead of the development of the twin engine made in India fighter jet. Here that the governing body of ADA, the principal designer of the Tejas fighter now in squadron service with the Indian Air Force, that has discussed the indigenous development of the new fighter in a meeting chaired by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and attended by the Navy and Air Force chiefs on 22nd May. Following this meeting, the operational requirements for the new fighter were issued by the integrated headquarters of the Ministry of Defense. Development of the new fighter jet comes at a time when the government announced a series of structural reforms in the defense sector under the Atmanirbhar or self-reliance goal, which is meant to result in India dramatically cutting down on its defense import. The prototype of the new fighter jet designed to operate from the neck of the India's two aircraft carriers. One is INS Vikramaditya and the soon to be inducted INS Vikrant. New fighter jet, that name will be INS Vikrant. It means to fly within 6 years with induction of the fighter within a decade. The fighter plans that which twin engine evolution of Tejas N prototype, which has been indigenously developed and extensively test flown. The Tejas N program culminated with a series of arrested landing and takeoff from INS Vikramaditya of the Goa coast, where two prototypes of the jet were able to successfully land on the carrier in January by using the arrestor to snare steel wires spread across the deck of the ship. The allowed the fighters and to decelerate from approximately 244 km per hour to a standstill in approximately 2 seconds in distance under 90 meters. Means it will take 2 seconds to cover 90 meters within the length of the deck of INS Vikramaditya. You know, those involved in the design and developed of the new Indian fighter, an advanced variant of the single-engine Tejas N, said that they have benchmarked the performance characteristic of the jet to Boeing's FA-18EF Super Hornet in service with the US Navy, and the Marine Rafale deployed on the French Navy aircraft carrier is meant to supplement the ultimately replace the Indian Navy's fleet of MiG-29K fighter presently in service and on board the INS Vikramaditya. A high-performance jet, the MiG-29K, has been plagued with the serviceability issues in Indian Navy services. The new indigenous fighter is designed to be more reliable